Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smashers. So viewers, in this video I am here with the ViserBank latest version 2.5 website script. So viewers, this is a digital e-banking website script. By using this you can make your own digital banking website, and we also built the complete websites. Now if you also need this kind of amazing digital banking website, you can contact us and we will build this site for you. Now viewers, what we are going to do in this video, first of all I will give you the complete demo of this website and its admin panel, and it's completely controllable. And viewers, this is also an investment website where users can invest their money in different plans. Then we will make this website on our hosting, and I will show you how you can host this script on your hosting server. And viewers, now if you want to buy this script from us, to contact us on WhatsApp and we will provide you the script at very low, very reasonable price, and we will also build the complete websites. So you can contact us for any type of website you want. So first of all, here you can look at its amazing homepage, and each and everything that is here is changeable. Logo, text, whatever is here is changeable. And here is about us section, so you can see you can change these things from admin panel. And here you can list your services like fast transfer, deposit funds, fund transfers. Here are why to choose us section. Here you can see how it works, open an account, verify your KYC, deposits and got services. And here you can see different investment plans that people can invest in your banking platform. Like here you can see there is a 5% starter plan, 10%, 8%, and the features you will get. And viewers, let me tell you that you can create these plans from admin panel, and here user can view all the plans from here. So this is how users can view those plans. And here are deposit pension schemes, so you can set these schemes from admin panel, and loan schemes, so users can view this. And here are client testimonials, frequently asked questions, your partner section, and this is the footer section of website. Now I already have logged into my account. Here you can see there is option to log out and deposit, and we will directly go to dashboard and we will see. And here is about us section, so you can change these things, whatever is on the page. Each and everything is changeable and you can change them. And here is a contact page, and you can list your contact details from admin panel. So now we will go to dashboard, and viewers, this is the amazing dashboard of your website. So here you can see your account number. Over here you can see your total balance and in USD, and let me tell you that you can change currency from admin panel and you can use it in any of your local currency. Here you can see pending deposit, withdrawals, running FDR, DPS, running loans. Here is your referral link. You can earn money through referrals as well, so you can refer different people and earn money through referrals. So you have to verify your KYC, so you can list these KYC things from admin. And here is deposit option, so you can deposit money. Go to deposit now, and you can deposit money using any of the gateways. So you can see different gateways, all worldwide accepted payment gateways are here, so you can use them and deposit money. And if you want to use your own manual gateways, so you can use manual gateways as well. And here is withdraw section, so you can withdraw your money. And to withdraw you must have to verify KYC. Here are FDR plans, so you can invest in FDR plans and you can enter amount and invest money. DPS, and here are loans plans, so you can invest your money in these plans. Here are airtime, and here you can select your balance and you can transfer your balance or monetize. Here you can transfer your balance from one account to another, to other banks or inside the ViserBank. It depends on you, within or other banks. Here you can see, and you can list other banks from admin panel. Here is more option, so you can see all your details and your KYC related things and you can verify them. So I am logging out from my user panel, so you can see. So here this is our login page, and here you can see this is our create account option, so you can create account and you can log in through this. So viewers, now we will directly go to our admin panel, and I will show you how we can control this website from the admin panel. So let me go directly to the admin panel, and here already admin details are entered. Now we will just because it's a demo, and we will make our own website after this. So first of all, I am using this to explain all the functions of this website, and then we will create our own ViserBank website. So viewers, here this is a dashboard of this ViserBank amazing website. Here you can see total users on the website, active users, email unverified, rejected users, due loans, each and everything you can view on the dashboard over here. As you can see all the things in this section. And viewers, here you can see there is a manage staff option, so you can manage all the staff of your website from here. You can give permissions to different users to manage your website. Here you can list your staff and give them permissions. You can manage the roles. Here you can manage all the users on your website. You can go to details and you can add balances to their account. You can subtract balances from their account. You can log in as a user and you can change their details and verify their KYCs, mobile number and emails, etc. So these are all the user related activities. You can verify their KYCs and pending KYC. You can add balances, send them notification. Here are plans. You can make different plans of FTR from here. So to make a plan, just simply make this plan from here, fill these details and you can edit the existing plans as well. Here are DPS plans, so you can make the DPS plans as well. You can make the loan plans from here. Just click on add new and you can make the loan plans. So here you can list your branches of your bank and you can easily click on add new and list different branches of your website. Here you can list the branch staff from here, so you can list your branch staff easily. Here you can set the air times from here, and when we go to other banks you can list other banks that you are dealing with and click on add new and you can easily add a new bank from here. Here are wire transfer options. So you can set up different things related to wire transfers and you can manage all the forms for wire transfer. Here are deposit options, so you can approve or reject the deposit requests of users. So you can go to details and you can approve requests and reject them. So these are all the deposit related things. Here are withdrawals. You can make withdrawal methods and you can approve or reject withdrawal request. Here you can manage the money transfer requests of users. So user requests, money transfer request will be appeared right here. You can view them and you can approve them or reject them and complete them. So these are you can see rejected transfer, own bank transfer, other bank transfer, wire transfer and all transfer. So these are all FDR related things. So you can see all the running FDRs in this section. Here you can see all running DPS and due DPS in this section. Same for loans. And here are payment gateways. These are automatic payment gateways available. So all worldwide accepted gateways are here. You can use them and edit them and put your own APIs. And if you want to create manual gateway, just go to manual gateway and click on add new and you can easily make a manual gateway. Here you can communicate with your users through support ticket and you can answer support tickets. You can view the reports of your website. From general settings, you can change the website title, website name, currency. You can use it in local currency and you can change the base colors. Whatever you want to change, you can change it. Here there is a logo and favicon option. You can change the logo of website from here. This is system configuration. You can turn on of different settings of website like email verification, mobile verifications, FDR, DPS, transfers, OTPs, referral system. You can turn them on off from here. From KYC you can make KYC forms. This is referral settings, so you can make multiple levels of referrals. From extensions you can manage live talks and other extension. From languages you can insert a language on your website. And API configuration, you can insert your API. This is manual, this is manage template. So there are two templates, one is Crystal Sky and the other one is Indigo Fusion. So you can use any of the templates you want. Both are amazing templates. You can use any of the templates you want. And here is manage section. So as I told you, you can edit each and every section that is on your website. So you can manage them and you can edit them as well. So when we go to banner section, you can edit the banner from here, and each and every section that is on your website is editable. So you can see all those sections here and each section is editable. So viewers, this is all about this website. Now we will go and we will install the script on our hosting and I will show you how you can make this website within just 10 to 15 minutes. So now we will go and we will make this website. Before moving towards that, do like and subscribe to our channel, and if you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp and buy this complete website from us. Or if you need script, you can also buy only script code. So viewers, to install this ViserBank latest version's banking script, what you have to do is you have to go to your file manager. So currently I am using the Hostinger, but you can use it on cPanel or any shared hosting, you can use it. So there will be no issue, you can buy any shared hosting and domain, and you need this script, and you can easily install the script on any of the hosting you want. And there are some settings as well. If you buy from us, we will guide you about everything, and there will be no issue. If you buy from us, we will install the script for you, so you have to face no issue. So here, now what you have to do is you have to go to public HTML folder, and after that I'm installing it on my subdomain. So here you can see that I've already uploaded the script, but you have to upload the script from here. You have to upload the file that I gave you. So now we will just extract this, and let's extract this file. And here you can see that our files are extracted successfully. Now viewers, what you have to do is you have to go to files folder, and this, after going this, you have to select all of them and move all of them to root directory. Now I am moving all of them to our root directory here, and now we are good to go. So now the fifth step is to install this script. So we will go to installer window. So here you can see we are on installer window, and now you can easily install the script. Now go to I agree next step, and here we have to give all these permissions. So I will quickly just give the permissions to this website. So now what you have to do is you have to give permission to storage, and here we are giving the permission to storage. And after that, there are 3 folders left. Number 1 is app, and the second is framework, and then we will give permission to logs. So just quickly set these things up. So now here the last folder we have to give permission is logs. So after giving all these permissions, just refresh your window and your checks are passed. Click on next step, and here you have to fill your database details. So now let's quickly go and let's create the database. So I'm creating the database in Hostinger, and here we will go to management option. So here you have to fill your database details, and I will create it with Viser. So you can give any name to database or user. So I'm just giving the name that is easy for me, and I'm just clicking create, and it will create the database. And viewers, database has created successfully. Now what you have to do is you have to go to your installer, and here you have to put your database user, host that you are using, and password. Here you have to enter your admin credentials, and now we are good to go. And now we have to click on install now. So this will install our script, and here now when we click on go to website, it will redirect you to your website. So here you can see that we have successfully created this website, and our website is live on our domain, so you can check it out over here, demo5.scriptsmasher.com. Now let's log into the admin panel. So let me also show you the admin of this website. So here we will go to user and type your admin credentials, and after that click on login, and here you can see that we have successfully logged in, and website is completely new. You can see 0 users, active users. So this is our new website. Each and everything is completely set up. So viewers, as you can see, this is how easy to make this kind of site. So viewers, thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, and also viewers, if you want to buy this script, you can contact us, and we will completely build this for you, and we will also provide you free support with script, and you will get it at very reasonable price. And thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, and be happy.